Hello, teacher. My name is Silvio Villegas. I live in Facatativá, Cundinamarca. I like to read and listen to music. Sister in journalism, studying at the Facatativá University. Stand 3. Record the TV tron screen osmotic. Record yourself. Unit 1 and Unit 2 Task 2. On my last vacation, I went with my wife and my son to the Peñaliza Hotel located in Girardot, Cundinamarca. The hotel is located 10 minutes from the wayside city Girardot, where we can find sink swim, pool with heated water, playground, restaurant, bar, comfortable rooms with air conditioning. Sports are shown at futsal, tennis, bowling, pool, and board games. The hotel offers many activities to my living, such as water polo, mini basketball, tournaments, music camp, competing. What you should do are curious and reserves why time sign the hotel is very budget in the holiday day. To enter and see your news, check in, check out. What you should not do what are used dangerous. Maneuvers in the pool does not do dangerous maneuvers in the pool. Thank you.